So when you walk into the store, you see Western University Canada, the acrylic on the bulkhead. You see the halo with the W logo. One of the unique features we've done is if you look on the graphics on the wall, we've taken actual brick pictures from on campus and incorporated that into our design. And the fixtures are gridded, so we have actual selling areas where before things were jammed on racks, and just we could, as much as we could get on a rack, that's how we merchandise. So it's changed our merchandising philosophy and style. In the beginning, it was we thought it would be a little more cookie cut with the stuff that they manufacture on a regular basis. Conceptually, they came up with a great idea, kind of put it to paper for us three-dimensionally so that we could see the vision that we and then they had some great ideas to go along with our vision that complemented each other. But I think as we went along, the campus environment is so much different from regular retail, and some of our needs were different from what BMF had done before, that we created some new custom shelving, and then there's a cake table that we've never had before, as well as some other standard four ways we've used to merchandise things that we never had the ability to merchandise before, given the old style fixturing that we had. I think the FlexLine system itself kind of speaks for itself. It is flexible. We wanted that versatility. So whether we were putting 5 shelves in a 2-foot section, or we were doing flat bars with straight outs and waterfalls, it just gives you that flexibility to be able to merchandise the same section 10 different ways. And you can get the capacity and maximum use of that area. The students are loving it. The third, fourth year students, I can't believe the change, and it's the same store. It just feels bigger, it looks better, and we are one of the favorite bookstores in Canada. So, and partnering with BMF, it gives them that opportunity too to maybe work with some other universities.